Yes, you read that right. 843% profits on the day, but we did get lucky. I'm not going to say that this was all skill, although partially skill, mostly skill. But we did SPY 495 calls from $3 to $28.3. Crazy, crazy move, all based off of a rumor, at least for the big move. But let's get into this so you can see the Discord and everything in real time. So here's the pre-market analysis. So I said home market is down huge again this morning. I think overall we see the market move up from opening levels. However, we may see it come down first to where more buyers would step in. Okay, this is important. So for SPY, coming down to 490 before having a move upwards, if it does come up, I would look at getting puts at 505 area. So looking at SPY 495 calls if it hits 490 and 500 puts if it hits 505. And then I may not even grab the 500 puts and just stick with calls here. Then basically 10 minutes later, 510 may be the actual target on this instead if we enter calls. Watch 485 area as well here on SPY. That would be a perfect spot to enter, okay? Everything is mapped out here. You could look at grabbing Tesla calls as well off of 220. AVGO actually looks quite nice in terms of getting calls. Let's see how expensive these SPY calls are. I think we wait to see if it hits 485 before entering 495 calls, right? So that is SPY. The whole plan is mapped out before market open. Everything is set up. So you also know exactly what we are doing. And so let's take a look at the chart. What do we see? Opens at 489.4. We see a move downwards to what price level? 485 is here. And then we actually go lower to 482.5, which in hindsight, I should have mapped out based on this red candle, but that's okay. We entered right here at $3 on this candle. Whoops. Had to hold through a drawdown. So the low here was, again, 223, as you can see. But again, as long as it's holding this level, we are fine. And then we just see a nice move upwards. And so we're just holding this, right? Ideally, again, what did I say I wanted to get out on this? 510, 505, 510. So this area is a little bit tricky at 500 or 480, 497.5. But that's okay. As long as it's holding this 495, we're okay. And then this candle is where we lucked out. So apparently a tweet from one of Trump's advisors was sent out saying that they would do a 90-day pause on the tariffs, which ended up being false, which is why you can see this big sharp move downwards after again. But we just lucked out and got lucky on this and cut the whole move up. It moved way too fast, blew past 510. And so for me, this was such a fast move. The only logical spot that it could possibly stop at was this 524 area, which is basically the open of Friday. And that's exactly what happened. I took profits here pretty close to the top. So the high here was 28.77. And the bid and the ask spread on this was choppy. So I just basically hit a market sell over and got filled at 28.3, which is massive, absolutely massive. And as you can see, the timestamp is here. Where are we? 7:17, right? So that's 10:17 Eastern time. And what do we see here? Well, I'll go to the 1-minute chart so you can actually see things. Where is 10:17? Right on this guy. Didn't quite get the high, but who cares? It's pennies on the dollar at this point. So yeah, absolutely crushed this trade. And again, guys, everything is mapped out. All of this is live in real time, so you can copy the exact same trades that we do. So to give this perspective, entering in at 3 would have cost you one contract, $300. And you would have taken out $2,830 for 843% profit. That's huge. And then I said, I didn't know what the news was at the time. I thought maybe it was market manipulation or something, but I stayed out the rest of the day here. And as we can see, for the rest of the day, we're basically hovering in between this 510 and 495 area, right? Which are the two areas we mapped out here in the Discord before market open. Yeah, crushed it today. So happy. Sometimes you just luck out though, and we're just going to continue putting ourselves in lucky situations. And that's all I got for you. So catch you on the next video, guys. Hopefully tomorrow. It's going to be another probably big day because the markets are wild right now. Join the Discord if you want to copy the same trades that we do, because again, you can set all these trades up beforehand. Yeah, that's it. Okay, goodbye. Peace. Have a good rest of your day. See you tomorrow.